My favorite part about working at Dorner is definitely the team and friendship aspect. The work environment is really nice. It's just fun working here.
Being here at Dorner, I've really grown into somebody who's confident in what they're doing in their work.
The people here want to be successful. Everybody from top to bottom will help you out in anything that you ask.
And it's really an environment that cultivates growing and being part of something that matters.
In case you didn't know, Dorner builds conveyors.
If you want to get product from here to there, we have the products to support you.
Dorner works with a variety of industries, anything from packaging to baking to meats to cheese. We cover the board.
We have the most innovative products in the industry. There's a lot of different companies that come to us for the products that we have to solve problems. So we have solutions that help them to move forward, and so our products help them with their automation needs.
Dorner Manufacturing is located in Heartland, Wisconsin. We have 165,000 square feet of facility here.
The building itself is actually state-of-the-art. That's actually one of the reasons why they persuaded me to come here. It's a very clean, cleanly environment.
The cooling system, especially in summer, if anybody ever has worked in a shop, is terrific. Very comfortable, safe and clean environment to work in.
The training was really, really nice. I always felt like I'm working with an expert, with a true professional. I feel like that knowledge is going to be a very good base for what I'm going to do in the future.
Ever since I've started, everybody has been very helpful. If you ask a question, they're going to give you the answer, make sure that you understand it, and really everybody wants you to succeed.
The pay is competitive.
You start here with 10 days of vacation.
It's not one of those companies that you dread coming to work.
Dorner contributes to your 401k plan. What I also like a lot is the health savings account. You can put money into a health savings account every month.
They definitely take care of you. They don't treat you as the number, they treat you as the individual.
The culture here is a family culture. Everybody here is like a family.
A lot of us hang out outside of work. We get together, our kids have grown up together, and we're just one big family, I guess.
Not only do we want to succeed, but we like to win together, play together, make sure that Dorner is successful. Everybody thinks about Dorner first before anything else.
Dorner is just a great place to work. I wouldn't have been here for 24 years if it wasn't.
To be honest, I didn't ever expect to be in the office, but there's a lot of encouraging words from supervisors and managers that actually pushed me to apply for the office role. This is a company that you start here and you truly do want to stay and help it grow.
As far as companies that are on the rise, Dorner is one of the tops. When I came here 3 years ago, I looked at the opportunity and said, this is a company that is about to move extremely fast to the top. And I would tell people, get on for the ride because we're going to be really successful.